Could you imagine living with me? I think I say that every time. Hey, I'm Sarah with Pinnacle Promotions, and this week we're going to talk about onboarding kits. Whenever your company hires new employees, it's always good to make them feel, part of the fam. Some of the really cool products that I got on my first day were a notebook and a pen for meetings, this tumbler that I can hold my coffee or tea in, and this phone wallet and stand so you can put credit cards right there and then your phone can stand up anytime you need it to. You can also include this umbrella for rainy days. A great way to put all of these items together in a kit is in a lunch bag or a custom branded box with your logo and custom PMS color. But Sarah selects this guy right here, the 50/50 poly cotton blend alternative keeper tee. Why, you ask? Well, apparel is everlasting, so I can wear this every Friday on casual Fridays, and I've washed it several times, and it still keeps up. It's breathable and cool, like me. All these items are great for onboarding kits, and there's plenty more that you can find at pinnaclepromotions.com. Wear this notebook and pen for meetings that I was going to attend.
I was going to attend.
I knew it. I